in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect emails and make an email list on Shopify. So let's get started. So if you head over in here on your store, as you can see, this is my theme. So let's try to customize it. When I head over to my store, I can just head over in here and then scroll down. And when I scroll down, I already have this subscribe to our emails, which is actually really good if you want to make an email list. So if you see, it is actually on my footer and not all visitors of my website head over to my footer. So it's good to integrate an app to collect an actual email list. So let's head back and let's head over to the app store of the Shopify itself. Let's click on this apps right here and then let's search in here for email list. Now, just click on this search email list in Shopify App Store, and then this will show you a lot of search results for the applications that actually try to make this happen. So you can see this email collection bar, tiny email marketing, and all these things right here. You can also use title pop-ups, which is an email pop-up application. So for me, I'll just choose to use this one. So by clicking on this, you can see that this is what it looks like. So it will ask you to design your pop-up with the user-friendly Lista editor. They have this 100% off, and you can unlock the discount by putting in here your email address. And they also have this pop-up forms in minutes, which looks like this. And there's a lot of things that you can do with this one. So click on install right here, and then this will install this application on our actual Shopify. Now you can utilize to send some useful information through this one. So click on this install right here, and then once you have clicked on your install, you should be able to see in here that it will install in our Shopify App Store, and we should be able to see it on the dashboard of this Revo email pop-ups. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So we have no previews yet because we just started. So what we can do is we can actually just create a pop-up right here. This is actually a dashboard of the Revo. So we can head over and then make sure to put in here a new pop-up for us. So first and foremost, let's first enable pop-up in pop-up. So click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, it will show us this one. And as you can see, this is the pop-up name. So for example, let's try to turn this on first. And then let's name it just email pop-up. Now, we can actually make this dismissible, or we can actually make this not dismissible in order to force the customers to put in here and unlock a discount. So it can be a coupon code. So you can put in here coupon code in order to get some email address from your customers. Or you can also put in here something like a file that they can want, or a course that you offer if you're actually a coach on your store. So it can be showing or it can hide after successful subscription. So in here, you can also see in here a close date, and this is what it looks like, and also a timer right here that you can actually choose right here. So you can also limit the frequency like 3 per day, or I will make this 5 right here. So you can actually just use this show on any page or show on specific pages. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And you can also choose this one if you want as well. It also depends on you what you want to do. Now, under the text right here, you should be able to see this one. So, for example, you just want to have 5% on your order, and you can say something, sign up and unlock your instant discount. And then just make this a form for email address, the claim discount button, saving button, and the footer text. And the success date, it will look like this one. So after that, you can also change the style right here. You can put in here a background image if you want, and you can actually put in here more things that you want to add. Now for this one, this is what it looks on mobile or on desktop. So if you head over in here, this is where it looks on mobile. So it's not to click on save right here. And once you have saved that, you can actually see it on your store by clicking on this preview on store. And then this will load our store right here. And in just a few seconds, as you can see, this will look like this. And I'll just need to type in here my email address in order to claim the discount. So by doing this way, we should be able to get some leads, some email addresses, and make a email list. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.